So what's going on with the market today? Pretty much a break-even day. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions with a super quick market update. I have my free Discord. We have a lot of beginner traders that ask me questions. I cannot stress this enough. If the past 5 months hasn't taught you anything, it's that no one knows where the bottom is, period, right? So one of my live trading sessions today with our Learn Plan Prof group, literally the biggest focus that we have right now is not trying to predict the bottom, but simply prepare. Everyone freaking out. They're like, I think it's going to go, TQQQ is going to go to $20 a share. No, this is the bottom. It's going to go to $30 a share. It's like, dude, it's been 5 months and still no recovery. I'm still excited for the recovery. Let's not forget that, right? That's the goal. But have we not learned that predicting or trying to predict the bottom is not realistic? Like, why are you overcomplicating your trading or your investing? You know what would make trading super simple? To have your focus. Have your focus on whatever, 2 to 3 different stocks you plan to invest that you plan to trade in. And it's not about predicting the future, but simply preparing for it. That if it does begin to recover, when are you going to buy? When are you going to average up? Where would you manage risk? The things that we always talk about, right? Where is that plan? Where is that structure? So many people consume their time, their mornings, their entire day watching paint dry, right? Imagine, look at the TQQQ is break even, meaning NASDAQ is pretty much break even today. Look at how many times it's been in the green, been in the red, been in the green, the back and forth. You are wasting your entire day. Is the whole point of trading not to be effective? Not to be, if your focus was, I want to make money based off of the hours that I work, then get a job, right? But if you are trying to make money based off of the opportunities you choose to take advantage of, taking risk management into consideration, risk to reward ratios, then be a trader, be an investor. Focus on what's important. Don't waste your entire day watching paint dry. And it's as simple as that. I mean, just imagine if I would have spent all day yesterday waiting for TQQQ to recover. It's literally a waste of a day. Let it sell off. Let it bleed. Who cares? Well, Ricky, I care because I have money in it. Then that's the position that you put yourself in. We talk about position all the time. We talk about putting yourself in a position that you can tolerate. It's not perfect. It's never going to be perfect. But that at least you can make sense of it. That even if it does sell off like it did, that you can make sense of it and that you can tolerate it. So if it does begin to recover, you can step on the gas, increase your position size, and then at overbought levels, you can begin to reduce it. Whatever it is that makes sense to you. But I am so tired of these beginners trying to ask me, hey, Ricky, do you think that this is the bottom of Tesla? Let me go, look at my crystal ball real quick and ask it, hey, is this the bottom? Dude, there's been news that, inflation, interest rates, Russia attacking Ukraine, oil, retail not being as strong as expected. It's thing after thing that continues to bring down the market. So let's try to do one thing. Let's try not to predict the bottom. Step 1. Step 2, don't overcomplicate your investing or your trading. Focus on what you plan to buy. Not that you have to right now, but what you plan to do. Formulate your plan. So many of you guys are so infatuated by the market, yet you haven't even planned out your trade. It just doesn't even make sense. Imagine trying to build a house, but not having the plans to build it. What, you're just going to show up and start, what is it? Start building the foundation out of nothing? Sure, cool if you can do that, right? But guess what? The market doesn't work that way. It shouldn't work that way. It is difficult. It is challenging. It really tests your patience. It's the whole point that we do it, right? The whole reason that we're so excited and we look forward to Mondays. You don't really look forward to Mondays with your normal job, right? But this is challenging. It's exciting. And that's what tends to, excite us, because once we overcome these challenges, fulfillment follows. You guys can hear Remy start crying. But that's what I wanted to leave you guys with. It's so many people are so consumed with the idea that they're trying to predict the bottom of something. Stop predicting and just start preparing. It's never going to be perfect. take position size into consideration, be selective. It's not about being scared, but just be selective and formulate your plan for both best case scenario and worst case scenario. So I'm excited to follow up. I'm going to go take care of Remy. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned your thumbs up. I will see you guys if you guys want to learn more about our Learn Plan Profit group. They're the only group that I work with on a closer basis, and that's going to be that second link down below. If you want to join our free Discord chat, and if you have any questions that are not asking me about where's the bottom of the market, that's going to be that first link in the description. Appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.